Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best bracelet making kit is probably one of the most relaxing and rewarding crafts you can pick up, allowing you to create unique, personalized jewelry while enjoying a creative outlet that lets your imagination run wild. This video will dive into the top bracelet making kits available, exploring their features, ease of use, and overall value, helping you choose the perfect kit to unleash your inner artist and create stunning bracelets. Number 5. Redtwo Friendship Bracelet Kit. It's the perfect kit to create friendship bracelets. Everything you need is included to make personalized bracelets for you and your friends. This kit is bursting with color. You'll find 6,240 clay beads in 24 colors, plus letter beads and other fun shapes. It includes easy-to-follow instructions, making it perfect for beginners and experienced crafters alike. Even kids can easily make bracelets. The beads are made of high-quality polymer clay, and are safe for use. They are the perfect size for little hands. Unleash your creativity. Make bracelets, earrings, rings, or even phone charms. The possibilities are endless. It's a fun and meaningful gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's sure to bring hours of fun. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll resolve it within 24 hours. What we like? It boasts an impressive number of beads in diverse shapes and includes special letter beads. If you're a fan of personalized accessories or enjoy intricate designs, this kit is perfect for creating unique bracelets to share with friends or wear yourself. It's ideal for crafting parties or making personalized gifts for special occasions. What people say? It has so many different colors, beads, charms, etc. for a child or teen to keep them busy for a long time. The colors of the plastic beads are rich and the gold tone beads are so pretty: gold rings, squares, and stars. There are multicolored, black and white, and gold letter beads. I made a dozen bracelets so far and every bead went on the elastic easily. Holes in them are good. The variety of beads, charms, and strings included offers endless creative possibilities. The instructions are clear, making it easy for beginners to get started, yet it's versatile enough for more advanced designs. The quality of the materials is impressive, and everything comes neatly organized in a sturdy box. Number 4. Craft Crush Bracelet Maker. It lets you create 8 unique bracelets, perfect for expressing your personal style. Show off your individuality with these fun and trendy designs. Create stunning bracelets for yourself or give them as special, personalized gifts for friends and family. It's the perfect present for any occasion. Learn new crafting skills while making trendy accessories. It's a great way to spend time and have fun, whether you're a teen or an adult. This kit includes everything you need: beads, cords, thread, metal rings, and even a wire threader. You'll be ready to start making bracelets right away. The curated blush color collection is super trendy and stylish. These bracelets make a big statement when stacked together. With this kit, you can make 8 beautiful bracelets. Each one will be unique and reflect your own creative flair. What we like? This kit provides everything needed to make 8 trendy bracelets in a stylish blush color. If you're looking for a curated, on-trend experience and want to create a set of matching bracelets, this kit is your best bet. It's perfect for teens and adults who appreciate stylish accessories and want a fun crafting project. What people say? The materials are good quality. The instructions about how to make each bracelet are very well written. The selection of bracelets is good and everything is really cute. It seems to be good quality as well. Number 3. Xmada Jewelry Making Kit 1587 PCS. It includes everything you need to start making jewelry. You'll find beads, pendants, wires, and tools, all neatly organized. This kit boasts 1,200 colorful gemstone beads. They're perfect for creating necklaces, bracelets, and more. The beads are beautifully polished and come in various shapes and sizes, inspiring unique designs. Let your creativity shine. It's ideal for crafting bracelets, necklaces, earrings, and more. Make personalized gifts or home decorations. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter, this kit has everything you need to create stunning jewelry. Unleash your inner artist. We're committed to providing you with the best product and service. Contact us if you have any questions or issues. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers a massive collection of beads, tools, and findings. If you need a wide variety of materials to experiment with different jewelry styles, this is the ultimate choice. It's perfect for beginners and experienced crafters alike, allowing for endless creative possibilities. What people say. The gemstones are lovely colors and it seems to be a fair amount of them for the money. They also appear to have precise minute-cut holes in them, even on the tiniest stones. It also came with 2 spools of wire, silver and gold, a spool of fine elastic cord, small flat-nosed pliers and very practical tweezers that work great in picking up the small items. The tools are a nice quality. I love the fun color rocks crystals you can make bracelets, rings, and earrings. It come with really cute charms with the cute rocks beads. I love using the beads to make different pieces of jewelry. They are easy to use. It can make any size. It's thick and the quality is amazing. It contains different colored rock and different charms like blue glow stone, which is my fave, and it has flower charm, which I love as well. This collection of beads are great for my projects. The colors are very vivid. Number 2. Sofier 542 PCS Bracelet Kit. Let's open this exciting kit. Inside, you'll find everything you need to create your own unique bracelets. It's made with high-quality steel wire and alloy enamel. It's lead and nickel-free, so you can create with confidence. This kit includes easy-to-use pliers and jump rings. The instructions make the process simple and fun for everyone. With 542 pieces, including bangles, charms, and jump rings, the possibilities are endless. Design bracelets to match any outfit or occasion. It's a thoughtful gift for friends, family, or even yourself. Perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special day. We're here to help. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. It features pre-made expandable bangles and a wide array of charms, simplifying the bracelet making process. If you prefer a quick and easy project with a fashionable outcome, this kit is ideal. It's a great option for those who want to create stylish bracelets without extensive crafting experience. What people say. Great for a girl's night. The charms are cute, good quality, variety of charms. I made mine in February and haven't had any tarnishing. My daughter loved this cute bracelet set. It had a variety of beads and bracelet materials. The case makes cleanup easy and convenient. The bracelets are very good quality, not cheaply made or flimsy. Great product. Number 1. Deinduser Bracelet Making Kit. This kit is perfect for beginners. It comes with easy-to-follow instructions and video tutorials to guide you through every step, from stringing beads to tying knots. Enjoy a relaxing and creative experience. Looking for a thoughtful present? This kit is a fantastic choice. It's a fun and meaningful gift that encourages creativity and improves fine motor skills. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just because. This comprehensive kit includes thousands of colorful clay beads in various shapes and sizes, along with essential jewelry making components. You'll have everything you need to create beautiful bracelets, necklaces, and more, all included. It's a great way to bond with your kids. Spend quality time together, fostering creativity and imagination while keeping them away from screens. Make lasting memories and beautiful jewelry. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues or missing parts, contact us, and we'll provide a quick and satisfactory solution. Your happiness is our priority. With 24 vibrant colors and a wide variety of beads, you can create countless unique designs. Let your imagination run wild and make beautiful, personalized jewelry. What we like. This kit includes a large quantity of colorful clay beads and comes with easy-to-follow instructions. If you're a beginner or looking for a relaxing and creative activity, this is the perfect choice. It's great for creating a large number of bracelets and experimenting with different color combinations. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.